Size and shape. Sit up, sit up, sit up, sit up. Bend the seat over here. Over here, two more. One more. There we go. Attaboy. Nothing personal. On the count of 3, milk the cow. Sit up. 1, 2, 3. Milk the cow. Milk it, 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 milk it. Milk it, 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 cow, milk the cow, milk the cow. $3 million. Milk the cow, milk the cow. Sleep, right, just right there. Milk the cow, milk the cow, milk the cow, milk the cow. Milk it, milk it, milk it, milk it, milk it. Shoot a little milk into your mouth. Just aim it at your face. Shoot yourself in the face with some milk. Right down the hatch. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we change size. It's the size of a Tyrannosaurus Rex cow. Milk that giant cow. Milk that giant, stupid, genetic disaster of a cow. That flea-bitten, horrible genetic mistake in the laboratory. Milk that genetic disaster of a giant cow. Milk the cow. Now it's 10 times bigger. It's like a telephone pole udder. Just milk that giant udder. The giant, utterly ridiculous udder. It's huge. It's huge. Milk that giant, stupid, smelly, flea-bitten animal. It'll be good when it drops dead. Just keep milking it. There we go. And now it's shrunk down to the size of a baby mouse. Milk the baby mousy cow. Milk the baby mousy cow on it. Milk the baby mousy cow. Milk the baby mousy cow. Milk that baby mousy cow. Milk that baby mousy cow. Now it's regular size. Bring it home, bring it home, bring it. Regular size. Milk it, milk it, milk it. Regular size, regular size. Milk it, 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 milk it. Faster, 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 faster. Watch out, it's about to kick. Boom, show that cow's boss. Do not kick the cow, Sarah. Do not kick that cow. Just keep looking at it. Watch that cow. Don't let it kick you. Don't let it kick you. Show the cow's boss. Do not kick the cow. Do not love that cow. Do not kick that dumb animal. 1, 2, 3, sleep. 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 On the count of three only. A giant sheepdog has jumped up on your shoulders and he's licking your face. Boy, does that dog love you. On the count of 3, the sheepdog is licking your face. Sit up and let the sheepdog make the dog licking face you make. 1, 2, 3. Sit up, sit up, sit up, sit up. The dog is licking your face. Boy, that dog loves you. She's looking the dog back. Just keep. And now on the count of 3, you're being tickled by an invisible stranger. Tickle, 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 1, 2, 3. Tickle, 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 tickle. On the count of 3, blow bubbles. 1, 2, 3. Blow bubbles, blow bubbles, blow bubbles, blow bubbles. Blow bubbles, blow bubbles, blow bubbles, blow bubbles, blow bubbles, blow bubbles, blow bubbles. Now, be really cool. There's people here. Super cool. You got a wedgie. Fix it. Don't let anybody see. Fix the wedgie. Fix that wedgie. Don't let anybody see. Just fix it. Don't let anybody see. Don't let anybody see. Be cool. Very cool. There's people here. Don't let anybody see that wedgie being fixed. Oh, yeah, there you go. Just be careful. Oh, no. The stupid dog is back. And now you're being tickled again. One, two, three, sleep. Audience for them. Come on. Love them.